was asking me to see if I can video it so we can just
fix it next time?
Yeah, that's alright.
No problem.
Sorry about the confusion yesterday. I didn't know my dad had talked to your offices again.
That's okay. There was always tomorrow. This is where it'll get kind of tricky. That piece comes off, but you have to hold it from the bottom.
Oh, I see.
If not, you see how the whole thing wants to turn?
So you don't need one of those locking, those pipe wrenches and stuff for these?
Most of the stuff above the sink is all just regular hand tools.
Oh, I see, okay. So that part there still gets worn out over time?
The cartridge, yeah. That's all it is right there, that's the cartridge.
Oh, okay.
And we have a hot, then we have a cold.
Why do they require specific hot and cold?
Because you have quarter turn lever handles.
Oh, okay. In different directions. Gotcha.
You don't want them both turning the same way.
Right.
You want them turned in or out.
Okay, so I've seen some houses though, some bathrooms where it turns like the same direction or whatnot. So that's how they do it?
That's the old style.
Oh, okay. So when you're looking at that, you can actually see the valve opening and closing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
That's closed. That's open.
Are those pretty universal, or
Nope.
you still have to
Nope.
get it specific?
This is California Faucet.
Oh,
that's the kind of faucet you guys have.
Okay.
So they make deltas and price fisters. They won't fit.
Gotcha. What gets worn out, like a rubber grommet or something like that?
The ceramic
Uh-huh.
gets worn because of the hot water, or if you have rust in the pipes.
Uh-huh.
That's where you get your.
Okay.
Because in the old days, they have washers to replace.
Yeah, the washers.
Now you replace the whole piece. Just tighten this up a little bit.
But they still last longer though than having the washers.
Oh, much.
Yeah.
Much. It's nice and tight. Yeah, it's tight. And you can buy these at my shop.
Oh, okay. You guys sell them at Savage?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. It's just it's better to just go ahead and bring in the old one, and then you can match them up that way.
I'll give you the box.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll know if you know what kind of faucet it is.
Yeah.
You know they make a hot and a cold stem for them.
Oh, okay.
As long as it's a bathroom. If you tell me you have a California faucet and it's a kitchen faucet, then it's a stem.
Oh, okay.
You want these to line up where it says hot and cold, or do you care?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, that's going to be open. That should be closed. Hot side was. Hang on. And anytime you do any kind of plumbing on, you always turn the water off.
Oh, okay.
If not, you will get wet the first time.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
After you have turned off the water. Oh. Same thing here.
Why does it turn black like that again?